Hoi, goeiedag. Ik ben in Amsterdam. Vandaag kom ik naar Nederland. Yippie! Ik heb voor vandaag is mijn vierde dag. Maar ik heb voor 3 dagen Nederlands taal gestudeerd. Vandaag heb ik met de mensen in de informatiecentrum gepraat in Nederland. Ik ben erg blij om hier te zijn. En ik vind Nederlands taal is gemakkelijk, omdat er veel gelijkenissen met Duits en Engels zijn. Ik kijk een show dat heet My Little Pony in Nederland. Het is goed. Nu heb ik mijn phone. In Nederland heb ik geen probleem. Ik heb vandaag en morgen zoveel te doen, maar ik probeer een video voor jullie maken. So, let me tell you how I learned Dutch. Fast and very inconsistent because I was also moving houses and getting ready for the trip. But I'm so excited to be here and to talk to people in Dutch. I will try to talk to them as much as possible. But how did I learn it? So basically, I will put it in the description as always. But I watched a grammar video. And then at the end of the grammar video, there was a test for A1. It's again the whole grammar of A1. And I did the test and I passed. So basically, if you answer more than 10 questions correctly, you're A1 plus, based on what the teacher said. And I answered 11, so. And then I watched My Little Pony, as I said. I watched 4-ish episodes. And then I listened to this beautiful, beautiful song, Blood, Sweat and Tears. And I also watched some videos from Easy Dutch, which is really nice, but it's nicer to watch My Little Pony. I mean, Easy Dutch is nice because it's very everyday things and like you learn stuff that you want to talk about. My Little Pony is nice because you don't have the English subtitles underneath. So like the problem with Easy Dutch is my eyes will go always to the subtitles, and because it's English then I will understand, and I don't like that. So another thing that I did was I turned the language of my phone to Dutch. And I also added it to my keyboard. What else? My thoughts. Easy language to learn if you already know English and German. Very easy. Grammar-wise. But Aussprechen, I think. Like Aussprechen, but in Dutch. And sometimes dictation, because like out is written with U-I-T. But, you know, sometimes the pronunciation is a bit confusing for me personally. And yeah, but that's it. The grammar is very easy. The words are, guys, it has been so long since I've seen a non-gendered language. It's been, yeah, the last one I saw was English when I was 6. So it has been ages. And the second that I saw that this language has no gender, I was like, ah, yes. Sometimes I speak German instead of speaking Dutch, which happens. But cool fun fact, did you know that people in Belgium also, some parts, speak a variation of Dutch? Very cool. What else can I tell you about learning Dutch? Just learned it and then I started speaking it, so it wasn't that complicated. So just watch the video and then start talking. I think if you don't know German, it's gonna be a lot more challenging because a lot of words are German. Also, like, Something that's very interesting is the system of saying the numbers of the time. So for example, right now it's 15:35. So basically it is 5 over half 4 16. So it's 5 over half to 16. Why? Good question. I don't know, but interesting. But the numbers are like German, so you go from, like, instead of saying 35, you go 5 and 30, but it's fine. The pronunciations are sometimes different, but the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A lot of words are easy to understand, either close to German or close to English. The written version is easier to understand than the spoken version, but the spoken version is also easy to understand. Like, I can't tell you much, because if you really know both languages, like German and English, well, comprehension becomes way easier in Dutch, my personal opinion. But yeah, it's a very beautiful language. I really like their music. Surprisingly, I never knew about Dutch music, but it's very beautiful. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the trip. If you have recommendations of what I should eat, please tell me, because I want to know what to eat. I want to try stroopwafel, if I'm not mistaken, but that's like one of the things that I want to try. Overall, if you know German or English and you've been thinking about learning Dutch, do. Very easy. I think right now I am A2, if I'm not mistaken, because it feels like when I was A2 for French, so I feel in the same level kind of. And if so, then yes, I got to A2 in 4 days. That was all. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the vlog that I make. Bye bye.